So today we will be showing you how to make your mortgage payment using Gain's online banking. You will start by logging into your online banking account. From here, click on the mortgage account link. You can also set up automated recurring payments by calling us at 818-846-1710. For more options, continue to our Mortgage Center. To make your payment, go to Payments, followed by Payment Options. On this screen, you will choose if you want recurring payments or one-time payment. Once you have read the information, click Approve to proceed. You will now select the type of account you will be paying from. Enter in your routing number. Once you have done this, the financial institution's name will populate. You will now enter your account number. The payment amount is already set, however, if you wish to make an additional payment, enter it here. As you can see, the total payment amount changes once you do so. Click Next to proceed. At this time, you will be presented with a page detailing all the information. Please review to ensure everything is correct. If so, click Submit. Once you have done this, you will see the confirmation page. Please print this page for your records.